Hello, hi, welcome to Trikavi Art Classes. Today we are going to see about categories of pencils. See, when I started beginning, okay, the brand which I was using is a Faber-Castell, a brand Faber-Castell. So it's a art pencil, a drawing pencil. It's called a drawing pencil. We'll get like six. Okay, so the first brand I was using it's a Faber-Castell. Then next I was seeing we having like a different brands in the drawing pencil only. So the next I was used with the series of Camlin. So after Faber-Castell, when I used a Camlin, I like this brand very much because see, when we see in this Faber-Castell, all the pencil sizes are same. When we hold it, we'll get like same grip. When it's come to the Camlin, based on the thickness of the lead, you can able to see the size was different. When we hold only, we can feel it. It's like a little bold. Okay, the next brand I was tried with the Camlin. So regularly I will be using a Camlin only. So once I tried with the art line. So after art line, so I started with the Faber-Castell and a Camlin, and then I started with the art line. So I'll give like option, you can go with a Camlin or a art line. So after Camlin I was using regularly with the art line. So when we are using with the art line, whichever the drawing pencil set will be available, it will be available like six pencils. Okay, so these was the series. Always we will be getting like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and a 10B. In one set of pack we'll get like six pencil with set of these series. Okay, so recently I seen a brand with the DOMS when I went for the stationery shop. So let me try with this. So here always will get the series like this only. See here, HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and a 10B. So we'll align it first properly like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B and 10B. I'll just hold everything in my hand. Let me try with, see what I'm going to do here. Let me try how this pencil works with the series. I'll just draw a 6 box. You can draw like a triangle or a square. See, always when we use a pencil, okay, we should feel that pencil, how we should control it and we should feel it. Okay, so now here I'm going to try with HP. I'm not doing anything. With the same pressure, I'll just give completely one shade, very flat shade. Okay, now I'll use with 2B. So coming to the H series and the B series, H series will be more hard. So I'm not changing any pressure. I'm using the same pressure of the stroke. I'm doing completely with a flat. Don't leave the white space. Fill it completely inside the rectangle or a square. The next I'll use with the 4B. I think so I should sharp this pencil. See, when always the series will change, it will give like more dark than the previous stroke. Then here I'll go with 6B. The same stroke, same pressure. I'm not changing any type of angle or a pressure. Now I'll do with 8B. I'm trying with now it's a 10B. You can feel the smoothness of the graphite. See here I tried with a new pencil. I opened with a new pack. It's Dom Snow. See here I'm not explaining like which is good, which is not good. Okay. But I want to share my experience. Let me try with the same alignment with the graphite also. With the art line. Six B, 8B and a 10B with the same series. Okay. Draw the so here I'm using a HB with the art line. See here also I'll use the same pressure. See what the sketch I did for the DOMs, it's very new. It's 2B. It's 4B. See here I'm using a art line. Next we'll go with 6B. See, I buy the DOMS was new. Really DOMS brand. I'm not happy with that. But DOMS I'm using color pencil. It was really nice. But coming to this graphite pencil, I liked Artline only. See, we have more brands like drawing pencils. Here we are not comparing anything about a DOMS or a Artline, or not about a brand, or not about a cost. It's all about a graphite. Not only with a drawing set of pencils, even we can do a very good art using a regular pencils, which the pencil will use it for writing purpose also. So this is my opinion. If you want to share any points with me, you can comment it. Please subscribe our channel, click on a bell icon. I'll be coming with more videos. Thank you.